As 2024 approaches, PiNetwork continues to generate significant anticipation among its growing community of pioneers. In a recent update, the Pi core team shared a tweet confirming that further updates on the roadmap for the open mainnet are expected in December. This announcement highlights that PiNetwork is still on track with its long-standing plan to transition to an open mainnet in 2024, despite the growing speculation and excitement within the community. While various rumors have circulated about the specifics of this transition, the Pi core team remains committed to its original vision. The team reiterated that the goal has always been to bring PiNetwork to full decentralization and operational maturity, and this roadmap is not subject to change. Some pioneers eager to understand the project's inner workings have even begun speculating that they might know more than the team itself about the timeline and specifics. However, despite these discussions, Pi core team has remained firm in their promise of transparency and commitment to delivering the best possible experience for all participants. 2024, the promised year for open network. PiNetwork has long touted 2024 as the year when it will fully transition to the open network phase. This pivotal moment in the project's history marks the culmination of years of development, testing, and user participation. Despite facing a number of challenges along the way, the Pi core team has remained resolute in their efforts to achieve decentralization. The team has maintained that 2024 is the year when they plan to open up the network for broader access, allowing the wider cryptocurrency community to fully engage with PiNetwork. This move to open mainnet is set to unlock new opportunities for Pi, expanding its utility and enabling a host of new features. Pi's transition will allow it to move away from the closed beta testing phase and towards a more public-facing network. The full decentralization will empower users, giving them greater control over their assets while improving the overall security and scalability of the network. As the Pi ecosystem grows, this shift represents a significant milestone that many in the crypto space are eagerly watching. The role of pioneers and the future outlook. Although some pioneers in the PiNetwork community believe they have inside knowledge regarding the project's next steps, the Pi core team is reiterating the importance of patience and cooperation. While the excitement surrounding PiNetwork's future is palpable, it's important for the community to remember that the team is working diligently to ensure that every aspect of the network's transition is smooth and beneficial for all users. The pioneers who have supported PiNetwork since its inception are undoubtedly excited for the next phase. However, they also recognize that this journey is not just about reaching the final destination, but about the evolution of the network itself. With a stronger, more decentralized network, Pi has the potential to create a level playing field for all participants. This vision extends beyond simple financial gains, aiming to create a sustainable, user-centric blockchain ecosystem. For those who have patiently waited for PiNetwork to reach its full potential, the year 2024 will be a momentous occasion. The impending launch of Open Mainnet is more than just a technological update. It is the realization of a long-held dream by the Pi community, one that has patiently awaited a decentralized future. As PiNetwork moves ever closer to achieving its goal of a fully operational open mainnet, the excitement among its community continues to build. The December update will bring clarity and possibly new details about the final preparations before the official launch. It is clear that Pi core team is committed to keeping its community well informed, ensuring that the project is both transparent and sustainable as it evolves. 2024 promises to be a defining year for PiNetwork. As the project nears its open mainnet launch, it will open new doors for both developers and users alike. The broader cryptocurrency market will be watching closely, as Pi's entry into the open network could potentially shake up the space, offering new opportunities for financial inclusion in decentralized applications. With a committed community behind it, a clear roadmap ahead, and a focus on decentralization, PiNetwork is poised to become a major player in the cryptocurrency world. The future of Pi looks bright, and the time for the open mainnet launch is fast approaching. Conclusion: PiNetwork's journey towards open mainnet in 2024 is a testament to the power of community and long-term vision. As the project continues to develop, it remains firmly on track to achieve its goal of decentralization, offering a truly innovative platform for users. With anticipation building ahead of the December update, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share,